Crate Pro allows you to manage the stages and statuses of your jobs. Starting in the Projects module, add your designs. The initial status is working. This status allows you to make modifications to the project. Shop staff doesn't have access to see projects in the working, quoted, and hold status. As manager or designer, you can change the status to quoted and enter the quote from your accounting, or it will autofill if generated from Crate Pro to better track the orders you're working on. When the quote is accepted, change the status to production. This changes the status of the crate designs and makes this job visible to floor staff. Staff can print out the cut lists and other reports directly from their computer. These designs can now be moved into the cutting status by clicking on the C. Note that the tab colors match the Change Status buttons. Designs may be moved to any tab that fits with your current process. For example, if inspection isn't something you track, you can skip using it. If you add accounts for other users, such as a sawyer, you can set their own home screens options that will have fewer tabs. This makes it very easy for them to learn to use and manage their own role within your company. Returning to the Projects module, you can see the status of each design that was sent to the floor based on floor staff input. This can save time from going into the shop and checking statuses or making calls to see what's happening. Users may be given multiple home screens based on their responsibilities. Each user also has an overview screen to see what jobs are coming up for them, what they should be working on, and what they forward to the next user. There isn't a cost per user to access Crate Pro. Part of the client license is based on the computers that access the database, not the users. Floor users with access can be beneficial to maximize time savings and reduce delays in production. Remember, depending on the role you give them, they will have limited access so they won't see designs or jobs that haven't been approved for their job duties. Crate Pro also gives managers, designers, and administrators the ability to change the status of the designs and projects directly in the project. If you don't want to give access to other staff, or are a one- or two-person company, you can update the designs and project directly in the project. This can help you remain organized. Or you can change the project status at the top of the screen, which will update all the designs on that project. Changing the project status will result in setting the designs to your preferred status. There are multiple options in your baseline preferences to tell Crate Pro how you want to manage changes in statuses. So how does using the home screens help you save time and become more efficient? Each section of the home screen provides an overview of all the designs and projects that are active, meaning not closed, invoiced, or paid. The bookkeeper home screens allow them to manage and audit that information. Easy searching and adding new projects, designs, and customers can be done from some home screens. Perhaps you want to search for all projects that haven't received a purchase order or projects that have yet to be paid. There are many ways to locate these projects directly from the home screens. Same with designs. You're also able to start a new design or project right from your home screen. These benefits allow you to maintain a clear view of what's happening in your shop. Using the home screens, whether a small shop or a large organization, helps ensure you're able to easily see the information at a glance, to keep on top of quoted orders, status of orders in process, and even what's ready to ship. This way, nothing falls by the wayside and your customer service is impeccable. Using the statuses, whether from the Projects module or in the home screens, gives you the ability to run many different reports. One of them is for tracking your ISBM 15 and another for material usage. These reports can be exported into your other systems. Set the user's home screens in the User module. Users with admin privileges include all home screens, and the foreman role includes all the home screens shown after that role. The salesperson role is the only role that doesn't have its own home screen. Select Salesperson for all users that you want to be able to enter in a project that will create projects, but also add one more role so they have a home screen. This is a brief overview of using Crate Pro to manage your crating process, from initial design, to quoting, to production, to shipping, to invoicing, and to marking a project as paid. You can use as much or as little of the process management as you wish. Be sure to schedule a session for more training on this great benefit.